Welcome to Tech Talk Automotive Professionals 101, and it's all in the name 101. We are going to learn a ton. We're going to take you through 101 ASE videos that go along with the ASE areas. I'm talking about A1, engine repair, all the way through A8, engine performance, and everything in between. We're going to take you through every automotive system. We're going to look at how it works, why it works, and why sometimes it's not working. And wait, it gets better. We have 101 ASE questions along the way. So where do we start? Let's start with ASE itself. What is it? Well, ASE is short for National Institute for Automotive Service Excellence. Since 1972, ASE has worked to improve the quality of vehicle repair and service by testing and certified automotive professionals. That's our goal here. Follow those standards and get you certified. They have 57 different tests, everything from car, light, truck, over to military tactical wheeled vehicles. But we're going to focus on the automotive 8 areas, the 8 areas being A1 through A8. And the cool part is you can take one exam and get certified. You can be an automotive certified ASE technician, or you can take A1 through A8 and you could be a master automotive technician like myself. Now, what are we going to expect on the test when we take the test? Well, it's pretty straight and cut and dry. These tests are written by industry professionals. We're talking no trick questions, no essays, no true and false, no drawing, no opinions, no fill in the blanks, no word matching, no formulas to remember. They're just straight up going to test your knowledge on automotive systems. You can see here, we got 5 different types of questions. Here's the first question. It's just a basic multiple choice question. One's right, 3 of them are wrong. And you can see here's an example. Cylinder leakage test is being performed. Air is escaping out of the tailpipe as a result of what? Bird intake valve, blown head gasket, bad rings, or stuck open exhaust valve. And you'll find out on the series that a stuck open exhaust valve is the only right answer for this one. Here's another question. It's called an except question. So what's the deal here? All are right except one. All the following are causes of low fuel pressure except. You can see the answers. Clogged fuel filter, well, that's going to be low fuel pressure. Worn fuel pump, low fuel pressure. Stuck open fuel pressure regulator, low fuel pressure. Stuck closed fuel pressure regulator, now that's going to be high pressure, so there's the except answer. Now here's one ASE's famous for. It's Technician A, Technician B questions. There are 2 statements, one by Technician A and one by Technician B. And I can make it really simple for you. Just break them down to true and false. You can see here, Technician A says air in the brake system will cause a spongy pedal. Well, once again, through the actual series, you're going to see, yes, that causes a spongy pedal, and a faulty booster causes a hard pedal. That's also true. So your correct answer would be C. Here's another question called a most likely question. This one's kind of tough because you have to eliminate the answers that are not likely, and the 3 wrong can be almost correct. So that's pretty tough. Here's an example. The most likely cause of brake pedal pulsation may be worn pads, rotor excessive disc thickness variation, DTV, bad wheel bearing, or misadjusted rear brakes. Well, they can all cause it in some way, shape, or form, but the most likely one is the DTV, rotor run out. That's B. Here's another one, the least likely question. Now eliminate the answers that are likely. 3 wrong can almost be correct again, so take your time, and it's usually capitalized on the exam. What is the least likely cause of blue smoke coming out of the tailpipe? Well, we have to know, and we will in the series. Once again, blue smoke is from oil. Black smoke is from fuel. Really, the only one that's going to make sense here is a stuck open fuel injector. That's the least likely because that's going to be black smoke. Now, what do you want to do before the test? Well, here's some tricks for you and some tips. Read all the questions carefully. Take your time. A wrong answer may be close, so you want to make sure you read them good. Don't pick the first answer. Take your time. If you don't know an answer, guess. They're going to be marked wrong if you don't guess. So go ahead and eliminate what you can eliminate, and that brings us to the next point. Narrow your choices down by eliminating the impossible. 2 down, you have a 50-50 shot of being right. So if you know at least 1 or 2 of them are wrong, take them off the table and take a guess. Don't leave it blank because it's marked wrong. The test is timed. Don't spend too much time on any one question. One that's left blank can't be right. It's going to be wrong, so you don't want to do that as well. Be prepared. Have all your stuff laid out in the morning. Have it ready. Have your test, everything ready to go. Your pens, pencil, whatever you need to take with you so you're not running around in shambles all upset before test time. Be prepared, have it all. Don't cram. Use this series, use this study series. Break it down into time slots so you can actually go through it all and have some time to study. So when you walk in there, you'll be ready to go. Once again, rest before the test. Get a good night's sleep. Don't go out partying all night and go in there and expect to take a 50 exam and pass it. So just take your time and get some rest. Relax, take a breath. After this series, you're going to know your stuff and you're going to be able to pass an ASE exam. Well, why get ASE? Well, don't take it from me. Take it from the past president of ASE himself.
ASE's mission is to improve the quality of automotive service and repair through the testing and certification of professionals. We serve automotive professionals, the businesses that employ them, and the consumers that depend on them. There are tremendous opportunities for young technicians entering the automotive industry. An individual's level of success is largely dependent upon their commitment, as reflected through an ASE certification. ASE test questions are written by individuals representing the entire industry. They are written based upon what you should know to do the job. Add in the experience requirement, and you have a nationally recognized credential.
Well, you can see here, I'm ASE Master Certified, and what I'm real proud of is I have been for 25 years, and you can too. Just join us on the Tech Talk Automotive Professional video series.